Hi everyone, you are on How-FixIT. In this video guide, I'll show you how to replace the front camera on your Google Pixel phone. The following set of tools are required to disassemble this Google Pixel phone. Screwdriver set, plastic pry tools, plastic mediator, suction cup, tweezers, adhesive sticker, and another useful tool is a magnetic project mat. During the repair process, don't worry about losing any screws and small parts. All of them will definitely remain on the magnetic mat. Throughout the disassembling of the Google Pixel, keep track of each screw so you can put them back in the right places. This will help successfully reassemble your smartphone. In the description, I left links where to buy all the necessary tools and parts. Let's start disassembling the Google Pixel phone. First, turn off your smartphone and remove the SIM card tray. Use a heat gun or hair dryer to heat up the surface of the back panel. Apply a suction cup to the back panel and press down. Pull up on the suction cup and insert the point of a plastic mediator into the gap. Slide the plastic mediator across the phone frame to slice the adhesive. But do not push the mediator into the case too much, so not as to damage the internal elements of the device. Disconnect the battery cable. Use only the plastic tool to pry up from its socket. Remove the front camera and sensor assembly. In the description, I left a link where to buy a new front camera for the Google Pixel phone. Please note, this module contains a laser module that can be damaged during disassembly, which might expose you to hazardous laser emissions that are not visible. It is recommended to replace the front camera and sensor assembly. Remove all adhesive residue from the back cover. Be careful using metal tools to scrape away adhesive. It can damage the back cover coating. Apply new adhesive tape to the phone frame. If the back cover becomes unstuck from the phone frame, you can additionally glue the cover with B7000 glue. The repair is over. You are on How-FixIT, and see you next time.